Hi guys, so I'm back at the camp, bushcraft base camp 1, whatever you want to call it. And if you watched my last video, which I stayed here the night, I said I was going to change it around a bit, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take all this down, I'm going to rearrange everything. Hopefully I'm going to get my tarp between the tree there that this post is tied off to and this one. I'm going to sort out some of the branches, so I want to be able to get my tarp under here and my hammock. The bed I'm probably going to leave where it is, because I might be able to, use that as a bit of a platform. So it'll be just about right. Put my feet on. I'm going to use all these straights. I'm going to build some walls. Yeah, what's the time doing? So the time it's nearly 2 o'clock. I got here pretty late, so I've only really got about 3 hours ish. I've got a lot to do, so yeah, we're gonna crack on. First job, take all the leaves off the back over here, and yeah, take all this wood off. So yeah, I said first thing I needed to do really was to take all this off, but I want to give myself a little bit more headspace. I don't want to be getting prickled by this all the time. So yeah, like that, right in the lips. Okay, that'll do for now. Well, yeah, that's that. So my next task is to finish cleaning off the space above me, and I want to put the tarp up and see where I am with it all. So the idea of this camp was to rearrange it, partly for filming, because the setup that I got before, I mean, it was practically okay. There was nothing wrong with it, but, well, the pitch of the roof of the lean-to could have been a bit steeper, but it wasn't too bad. But, you know, I wanted to, you know, now summer's coming along, it's nice to be in the hammock. So it'd be nice to set the hammock up between these two trees, get the tarp up, and have more space for filming. So behind, it was a little bit better. The ground doesn't run off quite so much, and yeah, there's just a little bit more space. I just want to get the tarp up and see what the setup of it's going to be like. Always got pre-yanked cords, which makes it easier. Just need a bit of a toggle. Now I know I'm going to have way too much cord on here, but that's not, you know, it's not a big issue. Ha. Again. Whew. There's a bit of slack there. sort of as I thought this tree might, well, is going to be in the way a bit. But what I might do is use, oh, come on to this side. I might re-thread it up through these here instead. Have it more shorter this way. So coming out. I don't know, like I said, that's west behind me, so the prevailing wind comes in that way. I'm pretty deep in under the canopy, so rain coming in from the side shouldn't be too much of a problem. So yeah, but yeah, gonna need a little bit of jiggery pokery to sort it out. And man, is it hot. Oh. Yeah, really humid. Oh, so after quite a bit of faffing, managed to get the tarp up. I've gone for the tree that was closer as opposed to one that was further away, so I could actually fit the tarp in. But yeah, I've got headroom, which is good. I've just got to try and get the hammock up now and see how that fits in, see if there's actually going to be enough length. Should be okay, but that's the next job. So get the hammock out and get it up, give it a whirl, see what happens. Yeah, with this tarp what I've done is I've come on, so like one of these toggles in. This does give me a bit of a drop down at the one side, which is okay. You know, there's loads of different ways you can sort of like configure this tarp. This might actually, this actual location might suit my other tarp a bit better, the brasher, because it's a little bit shorter. I think it'll fit in here better. But just want to, you know, it doesn't really matter for today. You know, I'm not actually going to stay here. I just want to set things up and so I can get a sense of place and orientation. Yeah, that's a bit better. Whew. Yeah, it's not too bad. I can even hook the end over the stick. Yeah, it flaps. Water might pull, but then it'll run down, drip down those sides. It covers the actual cord part. Yeah, that's not too bad at all. Oh. Getting that a bit straighter. Yeah, this ain't bad. Next step, build some walls. Oh, good to be able to sit down. Okay, so one of the first things I've got to do is make a few stakes. So just cut these down. And I'm just put a point on them. Which will just make them easier to drive into the ground. Although I'm not sure about this one because it's a little bit on the bent side. Go for the thinner end on this one. There. Well, that's a post knocked in. So think of this as a large fire reflector. There, that's all the wood now. Apart from there's this one. This is the last one. Might as well put it on. But not a bad wall. Yeah, it's got a few gaps in it, but that's not too bad at all. That is most of the all the straights that were on the shelter before, and some of them, you know, they're like doubled up a little bit, but yeah, that's not too bad. That's going to cut out quite a bit of wind that's going to come in from that way. I did want to make more than one wall, but like I say, that's all that wood, so I'd have to go and collect a load more if I'm going to build any more. It's already like gone 4 o'clock, and so it's taken me quite a while, you know, to take the old camp down. Yeah, it's 4:10. Take the old camp down, clear the site a bit better, put the tarp and the hammock up so I've got an idea of, you know, where I'm going to be, so I could, you know, start placing this wall. So yeah, I'm tempted to use the timbers that I had built the bed with. I could create a couple of small walls or something with that, but I'm wondering whether I need to. A lot of this here was to block out like bit of wind that had come in from that way, and also light reflecting out from the fire. But yeah, so that's that purpose done pretty much, and yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Oh. Okay, so it is just gone 5, about 5:15. Wall's done, cleared the floor, got more space above me, generally just got a lot more space, and that's pretty much going to be me done for today. I will come out again, maybe not this week, hopefully next week, beginning of next week or something like that, because yeah, I can't get out this week, this weekend anyway, because it's my missus's birthday and we are going to go to the coast for a day, relax, hopefully the weather will be okay. But anyway, yeah, there's not much left to do. When I come back next time, I'll stay here and I'll do a bit more. I want to build another bit of the wall to this side here, just so it locks it off a little bit more, so then I can have my fire about here. I might even put a fire reflector, build a fire reflector, so it'll be like a bit like a triangle, so there will be a bit of dead space, but I'm not too bothered about that. Just want it far enough away from the top, but I might use a different top. I might use my other brusher camo top. It's a little bit shorter, so I think it'll fit in this space a little better. It'll still fit with a hammock, but yeah, anyway. So yeah, I cleared the floor, built the wall, took the old camp down, sort of neatened things up a little bit. Just got to pack up, put the hammock away, the tarp down, and that'll be it for today. So that'll leave me just to say thank you to everyone who subscribed. You know, a while ago we hit 1,000 subscribers, did a giveaway. We're heading towards 1,300, which is brilliant, so thank you ever so much to everyone who subscribed, commented, liked, shared the videos. You know, a lot more people now are commenting on, which is I really appreciate, and I try and answer as many as I can. Can't always answer them all, because at the moment I haven't got great internet access, but I try my best. So yeah, thank you to everyone who subscribed. If you haven't subscribed and this is the first time you've been watched any of my videos and you've sort of like what you see, check out some of the other ones. If you like them, then subscribe. Subscribe button is down there. Click that. Incidentally, if you have subscribed or you are subscribing as a new subscriber, down here there's like a bell. If you click on that, you'll get an alert when I post these videos. So I think some of you aren't getting like an email to say that I've put a new video up, because a couple of weeks ago a few people have said, oh, it's nice to see you doing videos again, not seen you for a while. I've been doing them once a week, every week, for almost a year, because yeah, so a week on Thursday, Survive the Wild will be 1 year old. I'll have been doing videos every week then for a year, which is not bad going, not bad going. So anyway, big thank you to yeah, everyone who's watched. Click like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.